Hi everyone, it's me, Artist King here, back with another video. It's been a while since I've posted a video. I've had so much stuff going on. I did go on vacation to visit my family in Texas. I had an awesome time. And I did get to visit some tiny houses because you guys know I've been talking about that. That is something I would like to do somewhere down the road. So I was able to go look at some tiny houses, but I was kind of, I don't want to say confused, because the ones that I looked at were extremely expensive. And I always thought the whole point of a tiny house was to decrease cost and not have a big debt like you owe when you have a mortgage. That's how I thought it was supposed to be. But, then I thought about it and I realized that a lot of the people that spend $30,000-$40,000 on a tiny house is because they built it themselves. And they did all the research and the work themselves, which cut out all the labor costs. So maybe that's what it is. But the ones that I did see, they were gorgeous, really gorgeous homes. But they were just a bit on the pricey side. But anyway, it was fun looking at them and making, just admiring them. So anyway, I didn't get to visit any museums like I wanted to, but all in all, it was a good trip. So I'm back to this now. I haven't posted in a while because the last time I tried to do a video, actually last time I did a video, something went wrong with my camera because I use an old Android phone to make my videos, because the fancy camera that I have, it just, I don't know, maybe I just don't know how to use it right, but it just doesn't come out good. So I've been using a phone. So I made a couple of videos and went to download them on my desktop, and even I tried today again and I just can't get them downloaded. I can't get them off the phone and onto the desktop. So I used my phone, my actual cell phone I used to do this today. And during this time, I purchased like about 4 or 5 cameras, and I couldn't get them to work. The one that I did get to work, the video was horrible. So I don't know. I just don't know why they just can't make a simple camera that you do a video and you plug it in and you download it on your desktop. Everything else, Wi-Fi and this and QR code and all that sort of stuff. And it's just so confusing to some people. I mean, maybe if I was a young tech, they call them a Gen X or whatever, maybe I'd be able to figure it out, but it was just too much. So I'm pretty sure Amazon is probably tired of me returning cameras now, but they just didn't work out. So anyway, I wanted to get back on here because right now my views are down to like 2 a day, and I've lost subscribers, and I've just really gotten discouraged with this whole YouTube thing, because I see everybody else thriving and getting subscribers and stuff, and I don't know, I feel like I don't know what else to do to get my stuff where I want it to be. And I can't give up now, guys, because I've spent a lot of money on cameras and supplies and paint and markers and all that stuff. You guys know that stuff is not cheap. So I can't give up now. So I'm gonna try again. So I may be doing a video. I think I might try to post on a Friday evening. I may try to post on Fridays, and I may try to do another video on random days during the week. I'm not going to push myself to post 2 videos every week. So I'm gonna try that and see how that works. I think what happened when I started doing shorts, I think my whole views just went down the toilet with that. I thought it would have been a good idea, but for me, I don't think it really was. But anyway, guys, I'm doing this collage today, and I want to go back to actual painting faces because that's my thing. That's what I like to do. So I don't know, maybe you'll get a mixture of the two. So anyway, I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that now that you're getting a new video today, that it will cause you to come back and continue watching. Okay, so do not forget, to do the normal thing, like, subscribe, comment, and I'm sorry, and I've had the flu as well. It's just everything that could go wrong went wrong. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Okay? All right. Well, bye now.